Lot S207 is a 1966 Oldsmobile 442 W-30 hardtop, one of only 54 factory W-30s produced for 1966. It has a 400 cubic inch, 360 horsepower V8 engine and a 4-speed transmission. And it sold for $104,500 on Saturday, November 1st. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 67,726 miles. And the highlights are one of only 54 factory W-30s produced for 1966 and one of only 17 known to exist. This is the only 1966 442 W-30 to leave the continental United States. Extensive restoration by Jim Stolman was completed approximately 25 years ago. Jim Stolman had owned Stolman Oldsmobile in Alexandria, Virginia, a noted performance dealer. Stolman had previously owned 3 1966 442 W-30s at one time. Authenticated by Kurt Anderson and Mike Richards. Fisher body number. Correct L69 400 cubic inch V8 engine with tri-power. Correct E block. Correct carburetors. Fuel filter bowl. 40262 fuel pump and FU radiator. Dual snorkel air cleaner. Mechanical throttle linkages, rated at 360 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, dated May 6, 1966. TT 411 anti-spin differential, dated 1966. Day 2 Delco Remy air shocks added in the rear. Very rare rally instruments. Built at the Lansing plant. Built the second week of June in 1966. Strato bucket seats. Center console. Tinted windshield. And deluxe seatbelts. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.